Hitachi Stunt team. The boys from Stunt Inc. have been performing for over a decade throughout Australia and many other parts of the world. We are proud to have Hitachi Construction Machinery Australia as an ongoing sponsor. In 2009, Stunt Inc. and Hitachi took it up a notch to form the Hitachi Stunt team. The team performs crazy car stunts in their modified Holden VE utes and even crazier stunts on their two-wheeled machines at all of the V8 events, drift events, motor shows, bike shows and virtually every major motorsport event Australia-wide. Cam Aimbridge is a stunt performer from Movie World on the Gold Coast who regularly features in the Hitachi Stunt team performances throughout the nation. Cam's stunt bike is a Honda CBR 600R. Robbie Bolger drives a Hitachi Holden VE at all the events, and with his crazy Irish drifting, he is always a crowd pleaser. Robbie achieved the award as the 2007 Drift Australian Champion with his unbelievable drifting style in his Holden Monero drift car. Robbie has also broken a few world records of his own on two wheels. Matt Mingo rides a Harley-Davidson Knights the 1200 and drives his Hitachi VE ute. Matt regularly features in blockbuster movies doing stunts as well as major popular commercials. Matt has also broken several world records throughout his stunt career. Matt is renowned worldwide for his spiky helmet and crazy moves on 2 and 4 wheels. Matt Mingo and Robbie Bolger are the team owners, and with members consisting of Cam Aimbridge, Alan Morrison, they are always ready to hit the road and tear rubber. Alan Morrison is a crazy Adelaide stuntman who continually wows the crowd with his no-care safety, stunt riding style and never ceases to please. Alan's background is road bike racing and a misspent childhood. Alan's stunt bike is the ZX 600R. Collectively, the team performs in front of more than 3.4 million live viewers per year, not to mention TV viewers. In 2009, the Hitachi Stunt team went through around 240 bike and car tyres, along with quite a few panels and even the odd crash.
Straight up into a street stander. It's probably circle time. Oh, beautiful control there from Sam. Oh, takes his throttle hand off as well. Is he going to turn it? It is two. He's circling it. Great variation there in the burnouts. High chair, nice tight circles. It's going to go on the back wheel, of course it is. Right, what have we got? Here we go, get ready. Jumping in and up. Oh, beautiful! Cameron and Bridge! Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Cameron and Bridge!
The Hitachi Stunt team regularly takes lucky passengers for rides at all the V8 supercar events, and also at the Hitachi Ride Days held across the country every year in their stunt utes. You can guarantee the passengers will be a little pale as they hop out of the car after having the ride of their life. Be sure to check out the Hitachi Stunt team who will be performing at All Australian rounds in 2010. Drop in and say hi. Hitachi Stunt Team.